curtains drawn, the silence screams my name. Another morning, feeling like a heavy chain. I check the mirror, see a hollowed out disguise. Behind the smile, 1,000 worried lies. The world outside is spinning bright and fast, but I'm stuck here, anchored firmly to the past. This gravity, it holds me to the floor. Feels like I can't take one single step more. They say just breathe, they say just shake it off, but they don't know the constant quiet cough of a weary soul that's fighting for its air, locked in a battle that no one can share. But hear me now, beneath the crushing sound, that you are worthy, even when you're drowning out. Hold on tight, child, it's gonna be alright. Though the valley's deep and swallows all the light, you are still in the fire. You are built to withstand the hardest moments, etched by your own hand. 'Cause life is a hammer, and the pain is a strike. The challenge makes you stronger, turning darkness into light. The pressure makes you tougher, forged upon the soul's own might. Just hold on to the rhythm, it's gonna be alright. Remember waking with that knot inside your chest, convinced that you had failed every single test. The days blur into weeks of monochrome design, waiting for a whisper of a distant, hopeful sign. You've walked through shadows no one else could face. You've had to rebuild life in an empty space. Don't you dare forget the strength it took to rise, to wipe the dust and look into the broken skies. They say just breathe, they say just shake it off, but they don't know the constant quiet cough of a weary soul that's fighting for its air, locked in a battle that no one can share. But hear me now, beneath the crushing sound, that you are worthy, even when you're drowning out. Hold on tight, child, it's gonna be alright. Though the valley's deep and swallows all the light, you are still in the fire. You are built to withstand the hardest moments, etched by your own hand. 'Cause life is a hammer, and the pain is a strike. The challenge makes you stronger, turning darkness into light. The pressure makes you tougher, forged upon the soul's own might. Just hold on to the rhythm, it's gonna be alright. Look at the scars, they are not signs of defeat. They are the places where your healing is complete. A tapestry of battles won against the odds, proof that your spirit can defy the harshest gods. The and you've learned it well. The fire that refined you broke the brittle shell. You are the anvil, you are the spark, you are the force. You are halfway there, keep steady on your course. Hold on tight, child, it's gonna be alright. Though the valley's deep and swallows all the light, you are still in the fire, you are built to withstand the hardest moments etched by your own hand. 'Cause life is a hammer and the pain is a strike. The challenge makes you stronger, turning darkness into light. The pressure makes you tougher, forged upon the soul's own might. Just hold on to the rhythm, it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. The pressure fades, the strength remains. It's gonna be alright. You made it through the night.